Alright, hi everyone. So I want to talk about finding slope with rise and run again, but this time with my graph pointing downwards, right? So before we looked at our graph going upwards, alright, but now my line, let me show you. This line is now pointing downwards. So what do I have to do in this case? So what I'll have to do is, this time again, we know that equations take on the form y equals mx plus b, but since this is passing through the origin, my b is technically equal to 0, so now I'm just looking at y equals mx. So I just want to find the slope m, and I know that m is equal to rise over run. Okay, so let's look at what it's going up by. All right, so let's first look at our units. Let's label our axes. We know that this is our y-axis, and we also know that this is our x-axis, and this is going up by units of 1, by 1, -1, -2, 1, and -2. Okay, so let's see how much it rose. So let's look at what we've got. I'll choose this point, and I will choose the origin point. Now, it's not really rising in this instance, it's actually going down. So the rise is going down, so it's 1, 2, because rise is your vertical values, right, is how far you go along the x-axis, and the run is how far you go along the x-axis. So here we went 2 units, and then we'll go right to meet the origin, 1 unit. Alright, so my rise over run is now 2 over 1. But remember again, we didn't really rise up so much because my graph is going downwards. And because my graph is going downwards, I have to say that this is a negative rise. So it's -2. And then finally, what's -2 divided by 1? Well, that's just -2. So this would be your slope. And then finally, if you want to write out your whole equation, you have y equals -2x. All right, and that concludes this one. Thank you for watching, and I hope it helped you.